more beautiful fish.
Exactly. Leave the phone on the floor and it looks like a GoPro.
Like an aquarium.
Yeah.
It's good.
Ah, sí. Un tip, si lo puede,
Rock Crusoe.
porque así ya se queda. Nada más déjelo así grabándolo en el suelo.
Oh.
That's one of them. Is that one with the blue
Ahí está.
yellow
justito.
stripe?
Sí, y ya se le quita el reflejo de la embarcación.
What did you say the one with the yellow tail is the soldier? Yellow soldier?
Surgeon fish, right?
Soldier fish?
Surgeon, yellow
Surgeon.
tail.
I think it said surgeon. Is that what you heard?
No, I heard soldier. But I could be wrong. Okay, that's all the fish for now. But this is beautiful country. It's just really pretty. And that is actually sandstone.
Coming up on the arch.
I thought it was granite, but it is not. Coming up on the arch. Gorgeous out here today. All the shadows make everything so. There's a little window here.
That's not the big one.
Usually we don't get to see that. There are a lot of boats right now.
Yeah, I've actually never seen
I've
it.
never seen that.
We've been out here a lot. Yeah. Go ahead. Here's our most famous arch. There. Yay! The dragon having a drink of water.
We're going to do a little dynamic. If you want to take photos, you can pass here. We can pass in solos, couples, family, anything you want. Vamos a hacer una pequeña dinámica para que puedan tomarse unas fotos. Pueden pasar en pareja, familia.
Oh, get pictures. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. We're going to take some pictures in front of the arch. So, that's all for now, but that is
They charge you
fantastic
for those
view.
at the end.
Fantastic view of the arch.
He's gonna do it one at a time or whatever.